Malay words and phrases tourists must know. Lawa, gila, so pretty, or crazy beautiful, used to compliment something really beautiful, like a place, view, or person. Lepak, chill or hang out, commonly used for relaxing or hanging out without any specific plan. Jom, let's go, an energetic invitation to go somewhere together. Sedap, gila, super delicious, great for complimenting food you love. Boleh tahan, not bad or pretty good. A casual way to say something is okay. Makan-makan, food trip or eating adventure, used for enjoying multiple food spots or a variety of dishes, often in food streets or hawker centers. Kenyang, I'm full, perfect for expressing satisfaction after a meal. Tak pa, it's okay or no problem, a polite way to brush off small issues. Bagus, good, a general compliment that's easy to remember. Terbaik, the best, great for complimenting something excellent, like a dish or service. Aduh, ouch, or oh no, an expression of surprise or minor frustration, often used humorously. Belanja, pay for someone, commonly used when offering to treat friends or asking someone to buy you something as a treat. Syok, fun or enjoyable, used to describe anything enjoyable, from experiences to tasty food. Cantik, beautiful, a simple compliment for anything pretty or scenic. Kampong, village or hometown, often used to describe rural areas or traditional settings. Tourists use this to ask about local or rural experiences. Alamak, oh dear, or oh no, a common expression of shock, surprise, or disappointment. Kopi, coffee, a great basic for ordering coffee, especially at local coffee shops. Lain macam, different level, or extraordinary, used to say something is exceptional or beyond the usual, often in a positive way. Habis, finished or all gone, useful when ordering food if the item is sold out. Tolong, please or help, a polite way to ask for help or a favor. Sikit, a little, handy for saying you want a small portion or just a little bit of something. On the way, on my way, a mix of English and Malay, frequently used in Malaysia to tell someone you're heading over. Dah makan? Have you eaten? A common way Malaysians ask how you're doing. It's a friendly, indirect greeting. Seronok, happy or fun, perfect for expressing enjoyment or happiness. Tak larat, too tired or can't do it, used when feeling too exhausted to do something. Biasa, regular or normal, often used to refer to a standard version of food or drink. Kasih chance, give a chance, a playful request for a little leniency or patience. Rezeki, blessing, or good fortune, used to express gratitude or appreciation for something lucky. If you have learned something, please support us by clicking like and subscribe.